Hi, in this tutorial we're going to see how you can choose when to show your pop-up. Now I have this demo pop-up that I have created in the previous videos. Right now it is set on entrance. This means that the pop-up will show 0 seconds after the page loads. Alright, so if you go ahead and preview this, you will see that the pop-up shows immediately right after we open the page. Okay, so let's close the pop-up and get back to our settings. And this time, instead of showing the pop-up immediately after the page loads, we're going to wait 10 seconds. Now if we hit preview, we're going to wait 10 seconds, and right after that, our pop-up will show. There we go. Okay, so let's close it and check out the other trigger events. Okay, so the second option we have is to trigger the pop-up after the user scrolls a percentage of the page. Right now it is set to be shown after the user scrolls 50% of the page. Let's preview this. So I will start scrolling, and once I hit 50% of the page, my pop-up shows. Okay, so let's get back and see the third trigger event that we have. And it's the exit intent event. This event allows you to grab the attention of your visitors right before they leave your site. This method is widely used by internet marketers today, as it brings great results and it gives you a second chance to grab the attention of your visitor right before they leave your site. One thing to note though is that this event is not available on mobile devices. So here you have the option to still trigger your pop-up on mobile devices after a number of seconds. So let's preview this trigger event. So here I am on the page, and you will notice that nothing happens unless I try to leave the page. So right before my mouse clicks the X icon to close the page, the pop-up shows and grabs my attention. Let me try that again. Okay, so let's get back and see what other trigger events we have. Here we have the page close event, and this event is only triggered after the user clicks the X button to close the page. Here we can choose a message to prompt the user and tell him about the offer that he's about to miss. Then he can confirm that he really wants to close the page or that he wants to stay on our page. We can change the message here to say whatever we want. And then, just like with the exit intent event, this event is not available on mobile devices. So we can enable it here on mobile devices so that the pop-up will show after a number of seconds. Okay, so let's go ahead and preview. So now you can't see it on the video, but I will click the X button to close the page. Then my pop-up shows, and the browser asks me whether I really want to leave or stay on this page, while displaying my message in the prompt window. Okay, so this was a brief look at different ways we can trigger our pop-ups. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in another video.